how to send crypto to another Binance user. If you want to send crypto from your Binance account to another Binance user, it's a very simple process. Open up your website and go to binance.com. Make sure that you're also signed in to your account. Click on the deposit icon from the top right hand side of the screen and click on the option Deposit Crypto. Once we are here, we don't want to deposit crypto, but we want to send crypto to another Binance user. So on the top left of the screen, you can see this option called Withdraw Crypto. So just click on Withdraw Crypto. Here select the cryptocurrency that you have. So I have got few amount of FDUSD, so I'll simply select. I also have USDT, I can select that as well. Now we could withdraw it to another crypto wallet, but if we want to just send it to another Binance user, click on this option called Binance User. You can enter the recipient's email address, or maybe their phone number, or maybe their Binance ID. So whatever options that is available, you can select that, and once you've done that, you can make sure that they have got a Binance account and make sure that they have verified their account, and then you'll be able to send the amount to them. And this way you can send crypto to another Binance user. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.